I'm Susie Sowell,
And I'm Tony Sowell. We drive a Newmar Dutch Star.
4081, yeah. This has been a new experience for us to have a coach. We've had motorhomes, we've had truck campers. We love our Dutch Star, we just really do.
Just like the way it's laid out and the way it drives with the Cummins engine in the back and the way it's put together is you don't ever hear anything.
I can tell that there's a big difference in when we get somewhere as to how he feels. But we've been very impressed with Freightliner as a company, going to the AIM rallies and all and talking to people and all. But we have had a little issue where one of our, what was it that happened?
An actuator got messed up.
We had been told by one of the Freightliner people that were at AIM rally at LJ, because we also had it there, and he crawled under there and sort of fixed it where we could get home and said, now as soon as you can, take it to Gaffney.
So we carried it to Gaffney to get his beeps. He could not have been treated any better anyway. People at Gaffney got to take care of in a hurry. We got there the evening before, and they had a place for us to park, plug it in, and
They told them, yeah,
they'd be there at 7 o'clock in the morning. They'd be knocking on the door. And
and they were. The thing that I appreciate is the service saying, okay, you're going to bring it this day. We have you an appointment for this day. That's when they took the thing in 20, 30 minutes, they had it done. It was very reasonably priced to fix it. Everything was precision in the service. And that's what I appreciate.